Okay, the fact that at 9:30 at night I've had to open the hammock up and get some air because my oven ready works. I mean, it's sun's going down, gone down. Sunset was about an hour ago, about 8:30, 8:45 sunset. So we still got twilight, so it's not too bad. But it's, oh God, it is so different lying in the hammock without the airbed. I've forgotten just how much structure the air mattress gives you, because it gives you like a level thing to lie on, so you don't have to like lie crossways. And yeah, oven ready works. That it's keeping so you're not getting a chill through the hammock. So yeah, and it's a little bit. There's air, but because of the reflectiveness of it and the insulation of it, you feel very short of breath. Yeah, oven ready. So yeah, one last little bit of vodka and then night night. Okay, oven ready works. There's a slight issue with it bunching up under your back sometimes, but yeah, I just straightened it out so it's well, I'm 5'7", so having it 6 foot long, 6 foot square is good size. Now I'm lying in the hammock, in the oven ready, and in my super bag, but I do feel a little bit of a chill on my back if I'm laid flat. So it's not as good for lying on, chill wise. Because if you're in a hammock, you feel the coldness because it compresses. So, so yeah, I mean, if I were to, I could fold it in half easily and still get complete. I'm like, I'm in a giant freaking igloo. It's weird. My giant full hat. Yeah, so there is a bit of a cold patch in my lower back. But that could also be the fact that I was getting hot and sweaty walking around earlier. I mean, it's not bad enough for me to inflate my air mattress. It's quite funny because I can put my hand up here and I can feel the cold, the chill breeze. But yeah, in here there's nothing. My feet, I can feel a nice little breeze on my tootsies because I just put it straight and I need to wiggle up higher. So yeah, oven ready works. It's just the amount of coverage you get for something that is so light. It weighs bugger all. I mean, the air mattress weighs not much. I think it's something like a few hundred grams, the air mattress. Maybe 500, I can't remember. But this thing weighs probably half. For what it does, for how much it weighs. And I'm pretty sure it's fairly cheap as well. So, yeah, it is a bit of a pain when that bunches up underneath you. But, yeah, I like this.